We are moving. Everywhere is a mess right now. See, we are moving to our new home. So we are just trying to pack everything because we just have 3 days left. So we are just moving like the little ones. Then the movers will come and carry the bed, the mattress, and other heavy stuff. But we are just carrying the clothes and breakable stuff. So the place is not fine. We're just trying to move the ones that we can. Then wait for the moving company to come and carry the heavy loads. Come and do the heavy work. So I just want to take you guys along on this process, okay? Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. So we've already cleared some of my husband's clothes, so I'll just carry mine. I've already packed the shoes. I don't really have much to do here, and everything is arranged, so it shouldn't be hard for me to pack. I've already cleared this side.
We are living in a time where everybody, men and women, they follow trend. Everybody is following the same pattern of behavior without knowing where it's leading. And you see, when people are too superficial, too artificial, deep thinking now is a rare commodity. So the people who are abnormal now are people who dare to think deep or act in ways that don't follow trend. Nobody's looking at their side anymore. We are all following the razzmatazz of social media. So everybody is living to impress one social media image that has been created by one person on social media.
I wish to flatter, not alienate. Since I met you, my life's like a train, running smooth. I've been made for you. And when no one is listening, I confess, I let you in on everything, but the fact that I'm obsessed, the fact that I'm obsessed with you.
Alright, okay. Them bravo for the voltage. Tilapia, go day. Bring a good family to rose. Yeah, go day. Peter the way do not replay. Find a batcha for my rose. Conquer the street with the play. I ain't jumping now, buddy. Oh, God, the kwama. If I handle this, oh, God, so. If you put me for palava, Jepolo di fala. Okay, neme, moi prefer ego nepe. I don't feel complain. You go see my baby, bam bam bam. I suppose relocate, but I go buy Belgium. My money na halele, I apply pressure. When it's in a shima palava, put us for high tension. You must apply OT, big boy, you must buy plenty. Yeah. Mismanage my funds for you. All I really wanna do is mismanage my funds. Even if you wanna stop me, mismanage my funds on you. Mismanage my funds on you.
This is what I've achieved for now. For this, I'm not done with this section yet. It's not looking the best right now, but maybe when I'm less chanced, I'll just hang it color by color so that it will look more organized. Then this one, at least this one is not that bad, and here. So this is my section, and that's my husband's section. When I arrange the kids' clothes, then I'll just go ahead and to the kitchen.